My sea-told memories of a travelogue about some of the tourist places in North Kerala. I had already explained about Kozhikode district and Wayanad district tourist places in my earlier YouTube videos channel Ram's Travel Diary. So I am explaining the other tourist places only in this video. From Kozhikode, the coastal road passes through Vadagara, Mahi, Talassery, Kannur, Payyanur and Kasaragod. After Kasaragod, Kerala border ends and Karnataka state border, Mangalore starts here. I had also posted a good video about Mangalore and nearby tourist places. Please refer my YouTube channel Ram's Travel Diary for further details. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Next comes Vadagara. Vadagara is 48.2 km from Kozhikode. It will take 1.5 hours to Vadagara from Kozhikode. Vadagara is also known as Vadagara. It is famous due to the Loganar Kaab temple. It is 1500 years old temple. The temple is dedicated to goddess Durga. It is located in Kozhikode district of Kerala. It is said to be the birthplace of Unniyarcha and the Tacholi Odayanan, the great martial arts artist worshipped the goddess of Durga in this temple. This temple and past history of these heroes are wrought in Kerala's folklore. Vadagara is also believed to be the origin place of Kalaripayattu, the world famous form of martial arts. Sargalaya, the arts and crafts village, is popularizing the traditional handicrafts of Kerala. It is located on the banks of the Murad River and is spread over an area of about 20 acres. If you would love to do souvenir shopping in Vadagara, then Sargalaya is a perfect place for you. Visit Kunyali Marakar Memorial. The Marakars were the people who fought against the establishment of Portuguese rule in this region. Talassery. Talassery is also known as Tellicherry. It is 72 km away from Kozhikode. It will take 2 hours to reach here. The main attractions in Talassery are the Tagore Park, Sri Ramaswamy Temple, Orbury's Folly Park, Talassery Fort, Sri Jagannath Temple, Catholic Rosary Church, Bamil Temple, Odathilpalli, Nedumburam, Muttappan, Madapura Temple, Fisheries Folk Temple, the Talassery, Kadalpalam, and then the Mahi, Talassery. Mayeri is a small town at the tip of the Mahi river. The Kannur district surrounds Mahi on 3 sides and Kozhikode district from one side. Earlier Mahi was part of the French India, now forms a municipality in Mahi district, one of the 4 districts of the Union Territory of Pondicherry. There you can purchase foreign liquor and petrol without tax. Dharmadam 100 km. Dharmadam truth is Turuth or island is 100 km away, lying in the midst of Arabian Sea. The Talassery Carnival, the beach fest in Muzhippilangad beach and Dharmadam beach are very attractive. Kottayur Shiva temple is 50 km away from here. Then comes Kannur. Kannur, or known as Kannur, is 90 km from Kozhikode and will take 2.5 hours. Kannur, you can visit Muzhippilangad drive-in beach in Kannur. Entrance fee to beach is must. It is the only driving beach in Kerala. Rajarajeshwara temple deity is Lord Shiva. Women are not allowed to this temple in the daytime and may only enter after evening pujas at 7 p.m. The temple in the daytime and may only enter after 7 p.m. Payyambalam beach, Kavve Islands are tourist destinations and Arakkal and Arakkal Museum, Kannur, Bekal Fort, Fort Agnes are other places to visit. You can visit Parsanikadavu Muttappan temple is situated on the banks of Valavattanam river. Sri Muttappan is the personification of 2 divine figures, Thiruvappana, Lord Shiva, and Vellatam Lord Tirupana Lord Vishnu and Vallatam Lord Shiva. Here dogs are considered sacred and can be seen in large numbers around the temple. In this temple, fish and chicken are prasadam. We can see Parsanikadavu Snake Park also known as Talacheri, 72 km from Kozhikode. Then comes the Payyanur, situated Bagmandala, Kodagu, Coorg, Karnataka. Talakaveri is situated Bagmandala, Kodagu, Coorg, and Karnataka is the place from where the origin of the Kaveri River. Payyanur is 110 km away from Kozhikode district. It will take 2 or 3 hours. Located at the Brahmagiri hills, this place is also as a tank and temple dedicated to goddess Kaveri Amma. You can visit Kaveri Island in Payyanur. From Payyanur town we can reach Kavve Islands in Kavve backwaters. Kavve Island is surrounded by small islands. Velia Paramba is the biggest island amongst them. The faces Arabian Sea. State transport boats runs boats across the islands. We can taste seafoods very much in Payyanur. And then comes the Kasaragod. Distance between Kozhikode to Kasaragod is 182 km. It will take 5 hours to reach here. Kasaragod, the Bekal Fort distance is 15 km. It will pass through Kasaragod and it is a best place in the Kasaragod district of Kerala. There you can see well maintained Bekal Fort and fabulous beach are the main attractions to the tourist destination. It is located at Kanjangad on the scenic hero of Arabian Sea, 15 kilometers away from the Kasaragod town. It is built in 17th century. You can see beautiful sunset. Parappa Wildlife Sanctuary is 50 km away from Kasaragod. Ranipuram Hills is 55 km away from Kasaragod. Then Thaikadapuram Beach is 1 hour ride away from Kasaragod. Malam Wildlife Sanctuary is 64 km away from Kasaragod. Mallikarjuna Temple, Chandragiri Fort are very beautiful.